Mama's Chinese broccoli with oyster sauce always saves the day when I want greens, but I don't want to spend too much effort cooking. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that will come together quickly and still taste amazing.
Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan, ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walkinkin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is the perfect way to feed your family the vegetables they need. To start, separate the stems from 2 bundles of Chinese broccoli. If you find that you have older and tougher Chinese broccoli, you can peel the outer layer off using a knife. You can also rip off the harder parts of the leaves. If you find that some of the stems are on the thicker end, just halve or quarter them along the length so they're all roughly the same thickness. Fill up a clean sink or bowl with lightly salted water and wash the greens 2 to 3 times the same way we do with our Roikung herbs. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkinkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Now, bring a large pot of water to a boil and season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the Chinese broccoli in to cook for 3 minutes or until just cooked. Then drain the greens and let it drip dry. Meanwhile, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a skillet on a low-medium heat and brown 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic for 3 minutes or until golden. Pour it out for later. Then in the same skillet, heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on medium heat. When hot, add 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Keep stirring as it bubbles for 20 seconds, then take it off the heat to cool. To serve, plate the Chinese broccoli and pour the oyster sauce mixture on top along with the fried garlic. And there you have it, Mama's Chinese broccoli with oyster sauce. When I don't feel like stir frying, braising or steaming, this is the one dish that guarantees great taste and ease. To take this simple recipe to the next level, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, use fresh produce. The greens will be more tender, so there's less prep work. Number 2, test the stems as you cook. This will prevent the greens from overcooking. Number 3, pour the sauce on just before serving. Doing so will stop the leaves and stems from getting too soggy. These days, when I want an easy side of greens, all I need is to blanch some Chinese broccoli, whip up a quick sauce, and I'll know that my family is taken care of. To learn more simple classics, like and subscribe to our channel. And to find a side dish that would complement these greens, I've created a playlist of weeknight favorites just for you. See you in the next video.